Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so happy you're here with me today. Hey, I am here to teach you how to verify your account in Binance. So what we're going to be learning today is how to verify your account and to gain full access to Binance account so you can enjoy the VIP section as well. And we're gonna talk about the what VIP section in Binance is, maybe in another video. But I'm gonna give you a good introduction on this video. What is Binance VIP, and what is all your gain in Binance VIP. But for now, let's learn how to verify your account in Binance. To verify your account in Binance, you can do that through three phases. So you got basics, then you got intermediate, and then you got advanced, right? And what the basic information you need to verify your account in Binance is just your data information, such as your name, date of birth, and your email address, right? At the time to sign up to Binance, I'll recommend you to use your full name and your real name. And later on in the video, I'll explain you why. Also, your email address, you want to use a real email address and an email address that you use daily, because that's where you're gonna be receiving all the notifications from Binance, such as promotions, such as market cap change and trading changes and strategies and all the Binance area in the Binance community. Everybody in Binance community is sharing within the platform. Now the intermediate, what you need there is your government issue ID or your driver's license or your passport. And you want to make sure that once you scan your document, if you're doing it with your mobile device, you need a illuminated room or an exterior where you got a lot of light, so you can take a nice good picture from the front of your ID and also the back of your ID if you are going to use your ID. And if you're using your driver's license, you're going to do the same procedure for your driver's license. If you're using a passport, you need a very clear picture of your passport. Now that's intermediate. And for advanced, and this is what the advanced phase is, what gives you full access to Binance account, and that's where you become able to apply for the VIP section of Binance. What you need is just the proof of address. So at the time of signing up to your Binance account, I highly recommend you to use your real address, because that data at the end of your process verifying your account in Binance has to match up all together. I have a couple things that I want to talk to you about that Binance, why it's important to know about Binance and what the benefits are to sign up to Binance. You got a lot of benefits once you sign up to a Binance account, such as extra income earnings, quiz rewards, and simple fact, just to sign up you get a reward. And I'm gonna leave my referral code right here for you, and you can just click this referral code right here, or you can find it right on the bottom of my video here. I'm gonna leave it in a link. And this referral code, what it's going to do is going to give you instantly 100 USDT tokens, so you can trade with your first trade in Binance, or you can go ahead and stock that and gain extra earnings. Okay, so let's jump to the procedure and see how you gonna sign up to the Binance account. Come on, take an inside look. So let's get verified. Hit the button there, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna start going through the procedure of verifying your account. So to verify your account, you can do that with three phases. Phase number one, basic. That's the basic of verifying your account is your personal information, name, date of birth, email address. All right, so those are the basic way of verifying your account in Binance, and you're good. You are ready to use Binance. Except for with basic, you don't get all the extra earnings and all the extra rewards, and I want you to get all the extra earnings. I want you to get all the extra rewards, so I am going to tell you more. Intermediate is when you scan your government issue ID or driver's license or passport, whatever formal real identification you have on your position. That's what you need to use with Binance. Facial biometrics. That means you're gonna scan your face. All right. First, you're gonna take a selfie. That is going to be uploaded on the platform, and then the platform computer will ask you to scan your face. So what you're gonna do is you do everything the computer tells you to do. It might ask you first to bring your head up or bring your head down, and then go to the right or go to the left. You just follow all the steps. All right. Advanced phase is proof of address. So if you want to be more serious about Binance, about cryptocurrency, you want a proof of address. With the proof of address, you will be eligible to become a VIP member of Binance account, and also you will be eligible to become an affiliated user in Binance. And I wish I had all that time. I don't have all the time right now to talk about that, but really quick, affiliation member means you get to create products for Binance, promote Binance, and then you get paid for that. That's what it means. So as you can see, everything that I have been saying in this video is highly convenient for the people participating in this ecosystem development. All right, and let's see. Okay, so get verified, get your identity verification to buy and trade on Binance. Very important, right? So you want to get verified. Now the first thing is going to ask you is to select the country or region you're from. So I'm from Honduras. Roatan Island, and I'm making this tutorial video for my Roatan followers and my people that is around me. I want you to please go ahead and take this seriously. Go ahead and learn about cryptocurrency. This is gonna change your life. You're gonna learn so much. You're gonna become independent from anything you're doing, man. Look, if you what are you? If you're a gardener, if you a logger, if you're a boat captain, or you're a driver, or you whatever you are, waiter, bartender. I am a waiter. I'm a waiter. Okay, so get this from a waiter. I am talking the way I'm talking because I have over a year working with cryptocurrencies and learning about the whole system of blockchain and Web3 technologies, and I think it's time to share this with all of you guys. I think I take too long to start doing these type of productions, this type of work, because this is so helpful. It has become so helpful for me in many ways. You'll be amazed what I have been learning about finance. You'll be amazed what I have learned about the political world. You'll be amazed what I have learned about the technical world. It's amazing, guys. I want you to please stop wasting your time, man. Look, if you got time to go to a party, then you got time to invest in yourself. If you got time to go and drink beers and alcohol and do all those other stuff that we normally do, right? I mean, come on, let's be honest. I was there a year ago, and I regret that so much because I wasted so much time doing that I could have invested doing this, what I'm doing right now. That's what I want you to realize. That's what I want you to do. So let's go, man. Let's do it. Let's do this together. This will benefit you, your people, and everybody around you. It's a good thing. Learn, man. Learn. It's time to learn. All right, let's continue. So I'm from Honduras, so I'm going to select the Honduras country. Let's see, nationality. My nationality, of course, is Honduras, right? Does it sit here? I'm going to select that. First legal name is this year. So she was 1990, and then day is 6. Awesome. Okay, so once we hit confirm, it's gonna take us to another window, which is say home address, right? And this is the advanced option here, which Binance talks about, the proof of address. well, actually no, I'm getting confused. This is where you're gonna put your address, and then you're gonna have to do a proof of address. So you want to put your real address here. You don't want to mess this up, because at the end, if you want to become a pro in Binance, it's going to ask you for a proof of address. Okay, so let's continue. I got my address here. This is gonna work. This is what it is here. I can just click that. If you didn't had, if you didn't had your address recorded in your computer, it's not gonna pop it up the way it pop it up for me. But I use my address pretty often, so it just pop it up there. If it doesn't do that for you, what you want to do is you want to go and type it all in. So what I'm going to use here is an ID card, because it's more easy for me to use that than the rest of the stuff. And what is next is you gotta scan your card, right? And the way you're going to scan your card, you're gonna scan the front first. And this is what's going to tell you, take a photo with your camera. All right, I'll hit continue, and what is going to do is going to pop up the camera window here on my computer, and I'll be able to take a picture. But I'm not gonna do that, because once my camera for my computer is not working. And the other thing is that I'm not ready to confirm to verify this particular account yet, because I need more details before I do that. But if I hit continue, what it's going to tell me is take a picture with your ID, and that's the picture there. You take the picture. The next step will be flip your ID over, and then take a picture of the back side of your ID. All right, and then the next step will be to scan your face and take a selfie, scan your face, and you done. That will be it. You are verified, you're ready, you're good to go. All right, guys, I want to talk about everything. I want to tell you everything about Binance, about cryptocurrency, because I think it's so important. I think people are missing out big and on how this thing works with the cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology. I think you should take your time and invest it in the right spot. And at the beginning, to start with, you don't have to invest any cash. All you're gonna be investing is your time. So like I said, instead of going outside and smoking a cigarette, and I'm sorry I put it that way, but it's true. Instead of going outside and smoking a cigarette, you should go inside your phone network, type in Binance, sign up, get verified, and start learning. That's how simple it is. And if you have a hard time, or you think it's difficult to do it, well, go ahead and look through my tutorial videos and look for yourself. It's very simple, man. It's almost nothing. I think it's harder to open a Facebook account than it is to open a Binance account. And the comparison is huge, because the time you waste on Facebook or TikTok or any other social platform that you use, you could be investing that in Binance, and you could be earning and learning at the same time about how to grow your own self, about how to exponentially earn extra incomes. All you'll be doing is earning. And yes, it might be a little bit intimidated at the beginning about cryptocurrency and all these new technology developments, but it is nothing out of this world, man. Trust me when I say you have the capacity to do it. Every single person, if you have a functional brain, if you can remember how water looks like, how coffee tastes like, if you can remember how ice cream tastes like, then you can remember what Binance is all about. You can remember what you can do in Binance. You can remember how to go and trade in Binance, right? I think you got it. You're just wasting time because you want. And I really hope this tutorial video is useful for you. I'm going to be uploading this pretty soon, and I am happy that you still to the end, because I'm gonna leave my referral code with this video here, so you could go ahead and use my referral code, and we could start building our own community together. Do you know what it means to build your own community? It means that you detach from centralized controlling system, and I hope you know what I mean, because if you don't, then you will learn what it means right here in Binance. You will learn what that exactly means, and that's what I want you to do. All right, so, and you will come to a decentralized system that it is built and designed especially to grow you and everybody around you. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I make another video about Binance. I am going to be talking about everything in Binance. There is something that I want you to know in Binance. It's very important. Binance has this little window here which say Academy. Trust me, this is huge. You become a pro in less than a year, like this, quick. You know how much it takes a lawyer to become a lawyer? Do you know how much it takes a doctor to become a doctor? Do you know how much it takes a teacher to become a teacher? You know, and you will have all those aspects combined into one block, one bundle right here through this platform. You'll be learning about everything, man. You'll be learning about, you know, all of life matters right here. This is what you're messing up. This is what I want you to do. All right, so don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Just come back here to my channel and, you know, watch this video as many times you want. And hey, let's build this together, man. Like I said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, hit the like button, share the video, and stay tuned. In the bottom of the video I will leave the description of this video. I will leave my links to my social media, so you can go ahead and follow me in my social media. You can see other things that I'm doing within my social media, such as like Twitter, Telegram. I also have the newest social medias, which is Github, and also I have Discord and other couple social medias that are popping up within the Web3 internet right now, and also with the blockchain technology. So guys, have a blessed journey. Thank you so much.